It was in year 1956 China officially claimed more than 45,000 square kilometers of Indian territory in their map, and our former Prime Minister Nehru didn't wanted any military conflicts and ignored by saying that Akshay Chin is wasteland. Even today, China claims part of Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh by creating border tensions, and reason is Jawaharlal Nehru and Congress government which ruled for more than 60 years. And saddest thing is, in history of wars, 1962 Indo-Sino War is the only war which ended before India starting it. But question pops in everyone's mind is, what really happened in 1962 India-China war? What is the reason behind war and why Nehru didn't give permission to our Air Force? For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you historical facts about 1962 India-China war which India could have won easily. Stay tuned and watch full video. Welcome back to Fact Desk. I will be uploading short and simplified information in one video every alternative day with most interesting facts and trending topics which everyone should have knowledge. If you not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. Let's begin our video from 18th century where Jammu Kashmir was under the rule of Gulab Singh, where people used Aksai Chin for trade route with Tibet. After British divided Indian borders by mapping Aksai Chin into India, China was silent, but it was in year 1950 China announces to invade Tibet and deploys its troops in Tibet. After capturing Tibet, they got to know that trade route between Shangcheng and Tibet is passing from Aksai Chin and decides to eye for Aksai Chin by deploying its troop in border of Aksai Chin. By knowing this, Nehru writes letter to China, but they ignored it and made Nehru believe that India and China are like close friends. India believed China to such an extent that India rejected US offer to become permanent UN member and offered our seat to China, making them stronger. It was in year 1954 where India and China signed 5 principal treaty agreement where it was mentioned no mutual aggression in border, none of the countries will interfere in each other's internal affair, and also not to forget both countries will be mutual benefited and peaceful coexistence. But within few months, China releases new map claiming Aksai Chin as part of its territory, and immediately Nehru writes letter to China by telling that new China map is claiming nearly 45,000 square kilometers of Indian territory. But China ignored letter and started constructing roads and military camps in Aksai Chin. As tension between Tibet and China increased, China wanted to arrest Dalai Lama. But it was in year 1959 Dalai Lama escaped Tibet and came to India, for which India accepted him with grand welcome, and China thought that India is supporting Tibet in ongoing war with China. In same year, China started aggression fight in Changla Pass, killing 9 policemen. But Nehru put back foot because he don't wanted any war with China. Due to this, China took advantage and started attacking our troops in border in all possible ways. It was in year 1962 when 350 Chinese troops conquered 4 sides of Chushul Post and announced in loudspeaker that Gurkhas should not fight for India, for which Indian Gurkhas proudly warned Chinese troops to leave Indian post. It was 20 October 1962 when Chinese troops entered India and attacked 2 divisions of Ladakh with 3 Chinese regiments, and later they cut telephone lines so that Indian troops cannot contact headquarters. Also, they diverted half of our troops towards Bhutan, and before attacking India, they fired for us to confuse our troops. And for almost 15 days this continued, but it was our government who still wanted peace talks with Chinese government and did not send any support to army. It was 16 November 1962 when 80,000 Chinese troops entered Ladakh with light machine guns and started attacking Indian troops, where Indian force could not face huge number of Chinese troops who prepared for war. And one should not forget that in 1962 India was technically advanced in aircraft and warplanes compared to China, where India would have easily defeated China and recaptured parts of Indian territory back. But it was Nehru who denied using our warplanes and asked support of America and Russia, who were busy in Cuba missile crisis. By then, China captured complete Aksai Chin and parts of Arunachal Pradesh, where more than 1,383 Indian troops and 722 Chinese troops died in clash, and not to forget thousands of Indian soldiers were captured and arrested. At right time, America warplane started towards India by announcing support to India. By knowing this, China took back foot and announced to end war by writing letter to Indian Prime Minister. Peace talks begins and everything were settled, but biggest mistake of Nehru was accepting India-China's actual line of control, which made 37,244 square kilometers of Aksai Chin as part of China. Just because of Nehru's decision, we are facing problems even today. Just because of Congress ignorance of road and other development, we are not able to face China. But from last 4 years, road development in Ladakh and China borders is moving to new heights, where our soldiers can reach borders very soon. That's the end of 1962 battle between India and China. If you think this video is valuable information, then kindly share these facts to all your friends and comment your views in comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.